Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Smart Learning. In this class, we'll do one of the PYQ from SETs chapter which is given in JEE Mains 2020. This is very interesting question. In this, total 3 topics are involved. Number 1, this question is from SETs chapter. Set A, Set B is given. Operations on sets are there. Number 2, it involved with inequalities. You must be good at inequalities. Number 3, you must know how to solve this modulus function. So if you know these 3 things, then you can solve it, right? So this is a bit lengthy, especially because of this set A. Let's see how to solve this problem. If possible, you just pause this video. If you already have knowledge on these things, pause this video, try your own. Once you got the answer, later you can check what method I am following and what method you did, right? Okay, so first I'll solve this set A. In set A, what is the inequality they given? Modulus of x square minus 10 is less than or equal to 6. Actually, you know in inequalities, if anything is like this, what we do? We write like this: minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. We write like this. Similarly, here what I write? Minus 6 less than or equal to x square minus 10 less than or equal to 6. Now, I am trying to find x values. Here what I do? To this inequality, I'll add 10. Add 10 here, minus 6 plus 10, what you will get? 4 less than or equal to x square. When we add 10, these things will get cancelled. Less than or equal to 6 plus 10 is 16. Here, many students will do the mistake. As 4 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 16, what they'll write? 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4 they'll write. Actually, this is solution of this inequality, but this is not the full solution, right? You observe this part, x square less than or equal to 16. So, what I can write here? X square minus 16. 16 can be written as 4 square less than or equal to 0. When you take this, this can be written like this. This is like a square minus b square. So what I'll write? X plus 4 into x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. I use wavy curve method as we learned this in inequalities. Equate this to 0, you will get minus 4. Equate this to 0, you will get plus 4. Rightmost corner plus minus plus, right? Less than or equal to 0 means we are looking for minus symbol. What you will get here? Here you will get x belongs to closed interval minus 4 comma 4. Okay. So this part when I simplify, I got like this. Now you see this part 4 less than or equal to x square is there. When I write from this end, this will be x square greater than or equal to 4. You take this 4 to this side, then what you will get? X square minus 4. 4 can be written as 2 square is greater than or equal to 0. You will get like. Now I'll solve this. This is like a square minus b square. Na? So what you can write? This can be written like this. X plus 2 into x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Apply wavy curve method. Equate this to 0, what you will get? Minus 2. Equate this to 0, you will get plus 2. Rightmost corner plus minus plus. Greater than or equal to 0 means we'll look for positive sign. So x belongs to open interval minus infinity to closed interval minus 2 union closed interval 2 to infinity. See here, this is the inequality. Na? Here both conditions must hold good. This and here. And see here, x square value less than or equal to 16 and 4 less than or equal to x square. That is nothing but x square greater than or equal to 4. So here and is there. Na? And means intersection. So when we observe to find a on the number line, what numbers are there here? Minus 4 is there, minus 2 is there, plus 2, 4. Right, so minus closed interval minus 4 to plus 4 part, right? I just marked this interval and I'll mark this interval now. Open interval minus infinity to closed interval minus 2 union closed interval 2 to infinity. What I want here, I want intersection of these two. When you take intersection of these two, then you will get a. I'll write here set A. What is set A? Closed interval minus 4 to closed interval minus 2 union closed interval 2 comma 4. You observe here, when you write directly 2 to 4, that is a part of solution, but you will miss this part. That's why you need to solve like this. Hope you are understanding. What happened? I got A. Now, to identify which option is correct, we need to solve B. This is set B. Now, I'll solve set B. Just keep this in your mind. Now, I'll solve set B. For set B, you need to solve this modulus of x minus 2 greater than 1. You know that whenever in inequalities, modulus of x greater than a, then how you write? X less than minus a or x greater than a. You will write like this, right? So, how you can write this? You can write this x minus 2 less than minus 1 or x minus 2 is greater than 1. From this, what you will get, x less than minus 1 plus 2, that is 1, or x greater than 3. You will get like this. So what is set B? Directly I can write here set B equal to open interval minus infinity to open interval 1 union open interval 3 to infinity. So I got set B. You observe here, this is set A and this is set B. Now I'll calculate A union B, B minus A minus B to identify the right option. This is set A, set B we got. Now I'll mark both on the number line. What numbers are there here? You mark all minus 4, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first I'll mark set A. Set A, you mark closed interval minus 4 included 2 up to minus 2, right? This, whatever I'm marking here, this is set A. Okay. Closed interval 2 to 4, right? Closed interval 2 to 4. Okay. This is set A. Now I'll mark set B. What is set B? Minus infinity to open 1. This part is set B. Okay. 3 to infinity, open interval 3 to infinity. This is set B. So when you write A union B, what you will get? When you write A union B, what you will get? A union B. A union B, you observe here, when I write A union B, minus infinity to open 1 union closed 2 to infinity. You will get like this. You observe here A union B, open interval minus infinity, closed 1 is there. Here open 1 is there. So you observe here, this first option is the wrong option. Now B minus A. I'll write here B minus A. B minus A means elements present in B but not in A. You observe this part, these are the elements in B but not in A. And you observe here, this open interval, if you take, these are the elements in B but not in A. Similarly, you observe here, these are the elements in B but not in A, right? So when you write B minus A, what you will get? Open interval minus infinity to open interval minus 4 union open interval minus 2 to 1 union open interval 4 to infinity. Observe here, open interval minus infinity to minus 4 union open interval minus 2 to 1 union open interval 4 to infinity. Many students, when they try this first time, many students fail to get the answer, right? The thing to do these problems in right way is good practice. Hope you understand this solution, and if you like this video, please drop a like and share it with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.